Hello, my dear friends, I'm inviting you to a free workshop for making a tote bag. We will have these workshops with all participants of the Solving Fundamental program, but I also want to invite everyone who wants to join us and make these beginner-friendly projects together. I will provide you with a PDF pattern so you can print it out and use it for this project. You can also pick up different fabrics from the suggested fabrics. And even though I will be showing how to make it with the genuine leather, you don't have to make it with the genuine leather, okay? You can use faux leather, or you can use any heavy materials like denim or canva or tapestry style fabric. You can also use felt. Felt has almost the same thickness as a genuine leather, and it's actually behave as a leather. So it will be a good transitional project if you want to start working with leather. So click the link in the description to this video, or you can also find it in my website under the Masterclasses tab. You have to register. Everybody who registers will get the link to the closed Zoom meeting. So you have to sign up, okay? So click the link, sign up, and I will see you there.